Here he's coming. Now he will be shoot us after 300 distance. Okay. Now the correctly defense is only you know. Hey guys, welcome back in another video inside Hub, and this video we are again going to reply some viewers comment reply. So please, if you have also comments, so please comment me in my comment box. I will must give you reply and try to help you. So in this case, in our this video, a user is Zin Hussein, and he write a comment that please make a advanced shooting enemy with download. So he just want a simple AI enemy or a kind of like enemy who can shoot us. It means that we are player and the enemy will shoot us, and he also want to download the project. So let's make it. I already have some similar project of like that, chasing an enemy, shooting enemy. So you also do the same two thing but in one project. So for that, let's open our Unreal Engine, and in my case for now I am using 4.25.4. it is the latest and updated version of Unreal Engine. Let's create a new categories like game, next, and let's set first person, so we can find a simple gun, a bullet, projectile, and shooting some. Click on next and set it shooting AI. Say SHOOTING shooting AI. Okay, shooting AI. It's good for me. Okay, let's build a project. Come on, load up. How much time you take for create a simple project? Okay guys, it's totally loaded now. And now if you see the project, we have a simple player who have some guns and some animation, and a player with hand without any body, wow, with a camera and a simple cube. And we also have some bullets. So let me show you that. Yeah, here you can see we can throw bullets where we want. And let's make the duplicate project. So for that, now we need to first create the player or the enemy who will kill us. So for that, go on blueprint, first person play character, duplicate, and set it name enemy. And in the enemy case, what we'll do is basically simple. We just open it and go on the view section, and here just remove first his camera, or if you want you can take the camera, but in my case I'm not removing the camera. But here we need to fix something, that this code. Okay, we don't need this whole source code, but we need this thing, the fire one. But we don't need an input actions or mouse control or the camera movement or VR actions. We just need this, the spawn projectile with the animation, and where it will be through the bullets. Okay, but now what you'll do is first we go view, add SWE, maybe it's come a pawn sense. Click on active. Here you can see the active our pawn sense. It's good. And now we'll set it 90 degree to some changing the some angle. I giving 70, it's best for a simple AI. So then we go event, and here what we do is basically on C. Okay, on C. So you also need to check this, that your mouse is already click in pawn sense, and click on C. So we found like this. Then we'll search our player, cast to first person, maybe first person, yeah, this character, first person character, and we will get pawn with this, and then we will drag and drop with a AI move to. Okay, just if you just search AI, you find like this, AI move to, and the target will be our third person play character, first person play character, and direction it will be random, how Unreal Engine said, and the pawn is self. It's mean that our enemy, it's mean that our own enemy, and he will be stopping under 100 meter. But now what you need to do is very simple. You find that there's an option that's on success. It's when if we come off near, in my case I'm just giving it 300, maybe 300 is good, or not 3000 bro, it's 300. Okay, then what you'll be do is here you find a action that input of fire. So just remove this and touch input this, and just drag and drop this, and with success just join with success, and make it here a simple. So now what it will be do is it chase us. First it will be chase us, and then it will be, if then it's success, it will be shoot us. But before do that we need to set one more thing. So find maybe it's called find look or look find look rate, find, it's called find, and where is go find look and rotations. Yeah, there's the value, that find look at rotation. So here we found a simple thing, that find and look and rotation. So we also want that our player look at us only. Okay, if we just do only without do this, what he will do is he will be chase and come in any randomly place, but he will be not exactly locate or see us, okay, or exactly position with our same. So what for that, what we will do is simple. Here start and the target. So start will be our where our now the player location. So for that I will be get the mesh get world locations, and just simply drag and drop this. And here we also using the our player, so drag and drop with this from connection and set the same value, that get world maybe get world location, get world locations of mesh. Here we found this value, and now join with this, and here we found this input actions. So what will we do is simply we will be set that set player rotation, it's called maybe rotation, rotate, set actor rotation, set actor rotation. Here is our rotation, and here is the plugs, and the default is self. Also if you want you can join with this, no problem if you want, but before do the success is must need to do this. So I just drag on to connect it with this, and then hold the thing with this. So it's been that first it will be looked, okay, then it will be shoot us. So let's try that it's working or not. So before do that we need to search NA navigation mesh volume and hit P and just give it some area so or we can see, and let's give the enemy in here. I'll search like this. Okay, I think maybe it's done. Let's see, are he chasing us? Here you can see he's chasing me. Oh my god, here you can see he always looking at me, and here you can see he's shooting only at me, nothing anywhere else. Okay, here you can see, but it's not so much perfect, so let's do it some more good. So for that just add a simple I think this cube will be do good for me for now. I am not so advanced developer, come on man, you need to understand. I just hope I can help you. I think this thing will be help us to know the character where he's coming from. Here he's coming, now it will be shoot us after 300 distance. Okay, now the character will be chase us where it can go, and he always tries to find a loop for shoot. Here you can see when he shoot, when he's clear, he will be trying to chase us, and he will be trying to shoot us. Oh my god. Hey, what are you? Okay, so I think this thing help you to make your first enemy project. So I just want to like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I also give the full project link in the description below so you can easily download. I just hope you like this project. So thank you so much for watching, and guys please comment if you have any type of question.